In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set due dates in Trello so you can stay organized, keep track of deadlines, and make sure nothing slips through the cracks. Whether you're managing personal tasks, team projects, or client work, adding due dates to your Trello cards is one of the simplest ways to boost productivity. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tips. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard, where you can see all of your boards. This is the area where Trello stores your different projects, whether they're personal boards or shared team boards. Next, click on the board where you want to set a due date. Choose the specific project board that contains the card you'd like to update. Once you're inside the board, you'll see your lists laid out horizontally, and under each list, you'll see individual cards that represent tasks. Now, click on the card that you want to add a due date to. When you click on a card, it will open up a detailed view. This card view allows you to add descriptions, attachments, checklists, labels, members, and of course, due dates. On the right-hand side of the card window, look for the option labeled Dates. Click on Dates. This will open the Date Picker panel, where you can choose a due date and time for your task. Start by selecting the month and the specific date you want the task to be due. You can navigate between months using the arrows at the top of the calendar. Simply click on the correct day, and it will automatically populate the due date field. If you also want to set a specific time, click on the time field below the date. This allows you to define exactly when the task should be completed, which is especially useful for deadlines that are time-sensitive. You can type in the time manually or adjust it using the selector. Make sure to double-check whether you're using AM or PM so the timing is accurate. After you've selected the correct date and time, click on the Save button. Once you click Save, Trello will immediately apply the due date to your card. You'll now see the due date displayed on the front of the card when you return to the board view. This makes it easy to scan your lists and quickly identify upcoming deadlines. If you're working with a team, everyone on the board will also be able to see the due date, which helps improve accountability and coordination. Trello will even change the color of the due date label as the deadline approaches or passes, giving you a visual reminder of what needs urgent attention. Once everything looks good, you can close the card by clicking the Close icon in the top corner of the card window. You'll be returned to your board, and your due date is now successfully set. And that's it. That's how you set due dates in Trello quickly and easily. It only takes a few seconds, but it can make a huge difference in how you manage your workflow and stay on track with your goals. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Trello guides and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.